No, but don't get hurt.
Please.
What if there's like a cement block in there?
Some people do that.
Dobson, go for it.
No, you're not.
Are we all doing it?
Yeah, go. Go, Dobson.
Don't jump. Don't hurt yourself.
You ready? You ready?
All the
You
cameras.
ready? You ready?
Go!
Are we going?
I think we're going. Go. You
Alright,
going?
everyone's getting their phone out.
Dobson.
Go
like,
feel for something hard in there first.
No, that's
You don't even go down to the bottom. You literally just like stay right on the top.
It's like you're floating like on water.
Alright, so you count us down here. Count us down.
5. Stooky, come on. 4. Stooky, come on. 3. Stooky, come on. 2. I'll blind a squirrel. 1. Go.
Be careful. Those are nuts. Those are insane.
Dude, I was gonna run.
What happened to him? Where's Franco? Oh no. Oh no. This is insane. God, I'm so glad you guys made the trip to Oakwood. Get him out! Quick! Get him out! Marcos! Ayuda!
Put my sock back on.
Find your shoe, right?
That shoe could literally.
That's gone.
Shoe in there?
We don't know where your shoe
Where'd my
went.
shoe go?
Dude, Ben, you're so mean.
Ben.
I tossed you right next to him.
I couldn't see where it went. My hood was up, bro. I'm too busy doing hood rat stuff.
Careful, there's a car. Go ahead. It's all good.
Probably called the cops on us for like playing people's leaves. Got some walls in Oakwood.
Could be.
Alright, mask. Mask.
Pick out the leaves.
Yeah, I'm trying, bro, but I'm sneaking just like such a dirt ball.
Oh, these boys.
We're after school tomorrow, right, Snooki?
See, the girls are not going to do anything like that, are you?
No.
Girls, don't feel like jumping in the leaves. Shasira, you're feeling it?
Not so much.
Why did you stay under there?
Oh my God, you are
Like you just stood
so
under there for
dirty.
like 10 minutes. Like,
That's blowing evidence. Alright, we should probably move on. Look.
Where are we going? Oh my God.
Okay, I thought you were gonna push me. No.
Oh gosh. What do you think about this crazy
I
stuff?
don't know what to think.
Do they do that in Japan?
No.
No. Move over.